Hello, we from Group 2. In this video, our group will talk about our assessment task presentation, Financial Accounting 2, DPA 20033. Our group will present about accounting for trade payable, provision and contingent liabilities, and asset. Our lecturer is Madam Baizura binti Tiai, and our group member is Siti Roziatul Natasha binti Asli, Nur Azlin binti Azlan, Nur Elisha Liana binti Abdul, Nurul Iza binti Abdurrahman, and the last one is Arvin. In this video, our group will present about annual report SESB. SESB is Sabah Electric Sendirian Berhad. For the question 1 is indicate the company trade payable, provision and contingent liabilities, contingent asset for their financial statement. Trade payable. Trade payable are cash owned by an entity to the supplier of goods and services. According to MFRS 132, trade payables are financial liabilities that give rise to contractual obligation to pay cash or other asset to supplier of goods or services that has a contractual right to receive cash. Trade payables are categories under current liabilities which have been stated in MFRS 101 as above. It is a liability arise due from normal operating cycle that need to be settled within 12 months after reporting date.
Under MFRS 137, provision is defined as another type of liability that should be considered in the preparation of financial statement. It is a liability that carries uncertainty period or amount or both. A provision can be classified as a liability due to its characteristics, which are: a past obligation event has occurred, the entity has a present obligation, and there is a future outflow of benefits.
According to MFRS 137, a contingent liability is defined as a possible obligation that arises from past events and whose existence will be confirmed only by the occurrence or non-occurrence of one or more uncertain future events and not wholly within the control of the entity. Where it is not probable that an outflow of economic benefits will be required or the amount cannot be estimated reliably, the obligation is not recognized in the statement of financial position and is disclosed as a contingent liability unless the probability of outflow of economic benefit is remote. Possible obligation whose existence will only be confirmed by the occurrence or non-occurrence of one or more future events are also disclosed as contingent liabilities unless the probability of outflow of economic benefit is remote.
Contingent asset. According to MFRS 137, when an inflow of economic benefits of an asset is probable where it arises from past events and where existence will be confirmed only by the occurrence or non-occurrence of one or more uncertain future events, not wholly within the control of the entity, the asset is not recognized in the statements of financial position, but is being disclosed as a contingent asset. When the inflow of economic benefits is virtually certain, then the related asset is recognized.
This is a statement of financial position as at 31st March 2018. This is a statement of financial position for SESB for year 2017 and 2019, F non-current and current. This statement of financial position for SESB also have a equity. For example, share capital, treasury share, and reserve. Equity attributable to owners of the company, non-controlling interest, and also have a total equity for the year 2017 and 2018. Other than that, in the statement of financial position also have liabilities. For example, loans and borrowings, provision for retirement benefits, trade and other payable, deferred tax liabilities, and the last one is derivative financial liabilities. This statement of financial position also show the total for group and also total for company for the year 2017 and 2018. In the statement of financial position for SESB also, the amount recognized in the statement of financial position are determined as follows. For group 2017 and 2018, present value of unfunded obligation and unrecognized actual loss at the end of financial year also shown in this statement. Provision for retirement benefits. Movement is net defined benefit liability. The following table show a reconciliation from the opening balance to the closing balance for net defined benefit liability and its components. That's all for our presentation for assessment task. Thank you.